Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn on how to make your Google search engine or your search Google or your main page into light mode. Currently, if I'm using Google, you can see it's already dark. If I'm going to search something, you can see everything is, the whole page is dark, but the writings are white. So in this video, we are going to learn something in which you can turn the whole thing white, except the Google and itself will turn into the dark color, which means the opposite things are going to happen. So it's a very basic method. We use this method because we are mostly working at daytime, the light mode is really good for the eyes, but at nighttime the dark mode is really good. So if you're a morning worker, make sure to use the light mode, and if you're a night person, make sure to use the dark mode. So what you have to do is look for an option and open the main Google page. So I am on the Google's main page. So what you have to do is look for an option on the right lower corner in below bar. There's an option called settings. Click on settings first, and there's a line of list of options will appear. All you have to do is see an option down there called dark theme. Currently the dark theme is on, so what I have to do to change it to the light mode, I just gonna click on it, and you will wait and see, boom. So this is the light mode. It appears exactly within seconds. You don't have to look any further to get to this point. So this is very easy. If you search anything on this, you can find that everything is available as it is, and you can see everything is white except the links or the search bar turned into black or into link blue color. So if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tigez Schooling.